going on, guys? So you have a Generac home standby generator. I don't normally make videos for homeowners, but because I don't really like running service calls in the middle of the night because people didn't check their batteries, I'm going to tell you the way you can maintain your generator and save yourself some money and save your service guy a lot of hassle. First thing we're doing right now is we're getting ready to get the generator ready so that we can change the oil. What you're going to want is some safety glasses because you got to have safety first. You're going to want some hearing protection too, which we'll use when we're testing the generator itself. So let's go see what we can do to make this thing run efficiently and as reliably as possible. So we're going to squeeze in here. It's better than some. I've seen much worse. But let's go ahead and shut this down so we can talk. Okay, so the first thing I did was greet the customer and let them know I was here, who I was, and what I'm here to do, which they should have already known. I came over to the generator, opened it up, looked to see if I had any error codes in here. Then I checked the oil. I made sure the oil was in a safe level. Then I went ahead and started the generator in manual mode. I wanted to get the generator warm because today it's about 30 degrees. The oil's not going to flow very easily. So I went ahead and hit manual, and it went ahead and started and ran. I let it run for maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever. Went ahead and shut the lid. That way it traps the heat in there. And now that we've let it run, we're ready to get started. So I came over here, we put it back in the off position. Generally, they want you to disable it by yanking your fuse out. That way it doesn't accidentally start on you. Like I said, safety first. A lot of times may even have you unhooking the negative on the battery. I'm not gonna do all those things because I'm not worried about it, but for your safety, I recommend you do them. A lot of them are different. This is the sink, a Honeywell, which is really a Generac. Let me go ahead and get this thing opened up. Oh yeah, criteria here. Who am I and do I know what I'm doing? I've been working on Generac generators since 2006. I've been through the factory training about 5 times so far. I've been commercial certified, which means I'm a whole lot more than standby generators for homes. Most of your Generac dealers out there are just residential only, not able to do anything higher than 25 kW. I had it up to 250,000, and to go through that course, it's a lot more difficult than going through the home standby generator. Not to brag, I'm just telling you, when you're looking for a dealer you want to trust with your generator, you want to try to get somebody that specializes in Generac generators. Don't go to a Kohler dealer unless the Kohler dealer specializes in Generac. Don't go to, vice versa. Go find the dealer for your model. Then do some research. Make sure you find out they have good reviews. Don't look for the cheapest price. If you're wanting it done right, pay the money and get it done right the first time. These are things that's going to save you a lot of headaches. Let's go ahead and get started. First, you're going to need some supplies to be able to do this. You're going to need your disposal tank here to catch your oil. You're going to need the recommended oil for your generator for the climate that you work in. We're in Ohio, so we use 5W30 full synthetic. You're going to need your tune-up kit. Now this is up to you whether you want to go with full tune-up kit or if you just want to change the oil and oil filter. This comes with spark plugs, air filter, everything you need to change and get the thing maintained. I just purchased this. This is called a funnel. This is going to be really good to get inside there, and you can form it in any different shape, which is going to help keep your generator from getting oil all over the place. Depending on your generator that you got, which model, you've got a door here that has a weird interlocking mechanism. You're going to pull straight up on it. Then you're going to pull out. This has what looks like a truck bed type hook on the backside.